Greeting someone in English is easier than you might think. Today marks the very first step in your 30-day English journey, and we're here together to learn greetings you can use anywhere, anytime. Let's get started. Our first phrase is, "Hello, nice to meet you." Take a moment to say it aloud. Hello, nice to meet you. Next up, good morning. Try saying it gently. Good morning. Our third phrase is, how's it going? This is a relaxed, friendly way to check in with someone. Repeat after me. How's it going? Now let's learn. It's great to see you. This phrase is perfect when you're happy to meet someone again. Say it with a smile. It's great to see you. Finally, have a nice day. This is a wonderful phrase to end a conversation on a positive note. Try it out. Have a nice day. Let's recap all the phrases you've practiced today. Hello, nice to meet you. Good morning. How's it going? It's great to see you. Have a nice day. You finished day 1 of your English challenge. If you're ready for tomorrow, comment. Day 1 done. Remember, every small step counts. With these greetings, you're already opening new doors. See you tomorrow.